Let's dive into the first key behavior. Prioritizing your time. Wealthy individuals understand that time is far more valuable than money. Every successful person has only 24 hours in a day. The difference is how they choose to spend it. While many people get caught up in distractions, wealthy individuals focus on high-value activities that move them closer to their goals. For example, instead of mindlessly scrolling through social media, they dedicate their mornings to planning, learning, or working on projects that generate income. They often use tools like calendars, planners, or productivity apps to structure their day. Some even practice time blocking, dedicating chunks of their day to deep, uninterrupted work. Another important aspect is saying no. Successful people are careful with what they commit to. If an opportunity doesn't align with their priorities, or doesn't provide value, they politely decline. Learning to say no is one of the most underrated habits for long-term success. Ask yourself, what activities in your day waste time? What could you replace with actions that actually move you forward? Even adding just one focused hour a day can compound into massive results over months and years. Remember, time invested wisely always pays the highest return. The second key behavior is investing in yourself. One thing all wealthy individuals have in common is a relentless commitment to self-improvement. They read books, attend seminars, hire coaches, and constantly look for ways to grow their knowledge and skills. Think about it this way. Your ability to earn and create wealth is directly tied to your mindset and capabilities. If you stop learning, your growth stops. Imagine two people. One spends $500 a year on entertainment. The other spends $500 on books, courses, or mentorship. Over 5 years, the second person has exponentially more knowledge, opportunities, and likely a higher income. Wealthy individuals also invest in themselves through networking. They surround themselves with people who challenge and inspire them. You are, after all, the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Here's a simple tip. Schedule at least 30 minutes every day to learn something new. Read, watch educational videos, or practice a skill. This habit compounds, and over time, it becomes one of the most powerful advantages in building wealth. The third behavior is building multiple income streams. Wealthy individuals understand that relying on a single source of income is risky. Even the highest paid employees can face layoffs or unexpected shifts in the economy. That's why they diversify through investments, businesses, real estate, side hustles, or digital assets. Even small steps matter. You might start with a side hustle that aligns with your skills, or invest a portion of your income into stocks or mutual funds. Over time, these additional income streams grow, giving financial freedom and security. Wealthy people also focus on passive income, earning money even when they are not actively working. Examples include royalties from books or online courses, dividends from investments, or revenue from digital products. By creating income that doesn't require constant effort, they free up more time to focus on bigger opportunities. Let's go deeper into prioritizing time. Wealthy individuals often start their day before the rest of the world wakes up. They use mornings for strategic thinking, exercise, or learning. This gives them an edge because uninterrupted, focused time allows them to accomplish what others might struggle to do all day. Another strategy is batching tasks. Instead of answering emails or calls throughout the day, they allocate specific times to handle repetitive tasks. This reduces stress, prevents distractions, and maximizes efficiency. Even leisure time is intentional. Wealthy people don't just relax randomly. They choose activities that rejuvenate them mentally and physically. This deliberate approach to time management makes every hour count. When it comes to self-investment, wealthy individuals often have mentors and coaches. They don't hesitate to pay someone who's been where they want to go. Guidance accelerates growth and prevents costly mistakes. They also focus on physical and mental health. Wealth isn't just about money. Being in good health allows them to perform at their best. Regular exercise, proper nutrition, and mindfulness practices are common habits. Set a personal growth goal each month. It could be reading a book, completing a course, or attending a workshop. By committing to continuous learning, you're creating a long-term advantage that compounds over time. Finally, let's expand on multiple income streams. Diversification is key. Wealthy individuals often invest in assets that appreciate over time, such as real estate or stocks. While keeping some cash flow streams active for stability, they also leverage their existing skills. For example, a marketer might consult on the side, sell online courses, or create digital products. The idea is to turn expertise into multiple revenue channels. Here's a practical tip. Start small. Even if it's just $50 a month, invest consistently in stocks or a micro business. Over time, your portfolio grows, and you begin to build financial resilience. Multiple income streams aren't just about making more money, they create freedom. Freedom to make choices without being tied to a single paycheck. By adopting these 3 behaviors, prioritizing your time, investing in yourself, and creating multiple income streams, you're starting to think and act like the wealthy. It won't happen overnight, but consistent action compounds. Start small, be patient, and keep learning. Over time, these habits will shape your financial future in ways you never imagined. Take action today. Analyze your daily schedule, invest in a new skill, and explore one additional income stream. Each step you take brings you closer to the mindset and success of wealthy individuals.